straight lines we have discussed in two classes, some five problems we have discussed along with formulas. Now this is the third class for straight lines. In this we'll discuss five questions. In the first question we need to find P if the straight lines are mutually perpendicular. Means what they have given, we need to find P value if the two lines are given, they are perpendicular. Now you have to check what formula I have given for perpendicular. So I have given two formulas for that one. M1 into M2 is minus 1 or A1 A2 plus B1 B2 equals to 0. Any one we have to use. Find K if the straight lines are parallel. Then what we have to do, we'll discuss after doing this one. If the straight lines are given lines, we'll write first. First line 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0. Then second line 7x minus py plus 3 is equals to 0. Once we have three lines, so two lines, we have to write a1, b1 and c1. See, a1 coefficient of x, b1 coefficient of y, whatever sign you should write the sign also. Minus sign I used to write minus sign there, but plus sign is there, nothing is there means plus sign. Minus 1 is c. Then a2 first value without variable, b2 minus p and c2 is 3 or plus 3. Given that lines are perpendicular, once we have perpendicular, you should write the formula for perpendicular. Implies a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. From where I have this formula? In class 1 video I have shown that when lines are perpendicular is given, we have to use this formula. a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 without taking x and y you should take. Then a1 into a2 3 into 7 plus b1 into b2 is equals to 0. 21 minus 7p equal to 0. Because we need to find p, we should take term of p on left side, rest of the thing we should send to right side. When we are taking any term on left side, take the sign of it also along with that. Equals to plus 21 goes that side, minus 21. So p is equals to 21 by 7, p is equals to 3. Got it? Whenever lines are given to us, we will consider a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 from the lines. Then we will have the formula which you need to learn. Write the formula, then simplify, substitute the values. Next one, find the value of k if the lines are parallel. So given lines will write. Seventh answer. Given lines are 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equals to 0. Kx minus 5y plus 8 is equals to 0. Parallel or perpendicular, first we will write a1, b1 without y, then c1. a1, b1, c1 coefficients, then a2, b2 and c2. Actually c2, c1, c2 is not needed, but still you can write that. We have parallel, lines are parallel. Since lines are parallel, if the lines are parallel, we have two formulas. m1 is equals to m2 or a1 by b1 is equals to a2 by b2. So a1 by b1, or you can write a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. Both are one and the same. a2 by b2. Minus on both sides cancelled. 2 3 times, 2 5 times. 3 by 5 equals to k by 5. 5 cancelled. So k is equals to 3. For parallel, what you have to remember? a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is also right. a1 by b1 equals to a2 by b2 is also right. You can use any one of the formula for this. From 8th question onwards, you have to remember one concept. Whenever you need to find the straight line equation, passing through point is mentioned to you. Whenever passing point is mentioned and cutting off equal intercepts are mentioned to you. See, some problems are there in which you have to by heart the concept behind that. We need to find equation of straight line. Passing through is mentioned. Passing through. Keep the word in mind. And intercepts are given to you. Intercepts word is given to you. Passing and intercept. If such question is there, first you should write equation of line. Intercept form equation what I have given to you, x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. This equation you have to write. When we write this one, when we find passing word and intercepts word given in the question, we have to take this equation. Then passing through whatever values point is given to you, it passes through, you should write. Means line passes through which point? Minus 4 comma 5. Now this value you should substitute in place of x and y. Whenever any passing point, we have to substitute in place of x and y. Then simplify up to some extent. A into b is ab. B into minus 4 is minus 4b. 5 into a is 5a equals to 1. Whenever we have any fractions, we will multiply these two, we will cross multiply. Then this ab goes to right side. Minus 4b plus 5a is equals to ab into 1 is ab. Equation 1 we got. From where we got this equation? From two things we got this one. Passing through point is given and intercepts are mentioned. We have to consider equation of line to be x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Then it passes through the point. Whatever point is given, that point we have to take in place of x and y. Then simplify equation 1 you will get. Now we have to check what is the second equation they have given. Cutting off equal intercepts. Cutting off equal non-zero means those answers are not zero. So cutting off equal non-zero equal intercepts. Whenever you find this equal word with intercepts, that means a is equals to b or b is equals to a you have to take. If a equal to b is also same thing, b is equals to why I consider b. If we equate b, we will get the value of a. That's why we are equating b. If you take a equal to b, you will get b value first. So anyhow, when cutting off equal intercepts is given, you should take b is equals to a. Now we have to substitute second in 1. Put second equation in first equation. So in place of b, we will substitute a. So this becomes minus 4a plus 5a is equals to a into a. Minus 4a plus 5a is 1a equals to a into a square. I am not writing a square to cancel this. 1 is equals to a. So what I got after substituting, a is equals to 1 I got. What I got? A is equals to 1 after substitution. Once I got a is equals to 1, substitute in second equation. Put a is equals to 1 in second equation. B is equals to a. Now we have both values, a value as well as b value. Once we have these two values, you can conclude it by writing equation of line is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Now we will not substitute minus 4 and 5 here. We will substitute 1 and 1 in place of a and b. So x plus y, or you can leave it up to this mark. No need of any further simplification for 2 marks. See what they have given, same type, more 2 questions are there. Find the equation of straight line, passing through point is given, cutting off equal intercepts is given. When passing and intercept word is there, we have to take this equation of line. Then we have it passes through is given in place of x and y. Whatever passing point that represents x and y values, you can substitute and you will get equation 1. Then cutting off equal intercepts means b is equals to a. Then these two equations have to be substituted and we will get the value of a. Once we got the value of a, substitute in second equation, you will get the value of b. Once we have a and b values, equation of line you should write and substitute a and b values. That is our required answer. Next one, 9th one. In 9th question, check it out. Find the equation of straight line. passing through point and making intercept. See, passing word and intercept word is again given to us. So what we'll do, we'll write let equation of line. X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. It passes through, line passes through minus 2 comma 4, means in place of x minus 2, in place of y 4. Then we'll cross multiply this ab, b into 2 is minus 2b plus 4a is equals to 1. Minus 2b plus 4a is equals to a into b is ab, equation 1. How we got equation 1 in the previous question, same thing we did. Now what they have mentioned, whose sum is 0, intercepts whose sum is 0. Intercepts means what? A and B are intercepts. So what they have given? Intercepts whose sum is 0. Sum means addition, intercepts means A and B. A and B sum is 0. This is sentence form, this is mathematical equation. Intercept sum means plus A and B. So A plus B equal to 0 is given indirectly in statement form. Sum is 0, you have to remember A plus B is equals to 0. Now we will equate B. Equating B means keeping B on left side, sending the other terms to right side. This is equation 2. When we have two equations, put second in 1 means what? In place of B minus A. In place of B, we will take minus A. Here minus A into 2 into A is plus 2A plus 4A is equals to minus A into A. 6A is equals to minus A into A. Multiple A's cancelled. Minus A is 6. Minus sign you can send to right side. A is equals to minus 6. Once we have A value, put A is equals to minus 6 in second. Whatever second equation, B is minus A. B is equals to minus A. B is plus 6. So what we have got? A value minus 6, B value is 6. Once we have A and B values, you can write equation of line. Therefore, x by A plus y by B is equals to 1. X by A value plus y by B value is equals to 1. This is it. You can simplify further also, but I am leaving up to that mark because for 2 marks that is more than enough. In 10th one, same thing they have given. Find the equation of straight line passing through point making x intercept. See, passing word and intercepts are again mentioned. So what we'll write? Let equation of line x by A plus y by B is equals to 1. It passes through. Line passes through, one point is given to us. What is that point? 3 comma minus 4. We'll write 3 and minus 4 in place of A and B. Then we'll simplify this AB. This is 3B minus 4A is equals to 1. 3B minus 4A is equals to AB, equation 1. Next point. Intercepts which are in ratio. Intercepts means A and B are in ratio they have given. That means A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3. If sum of intercept is mentioned, that time A plus B. If equal intercepts are given, B is equals to A. Now they have given intercepts are in ratio, A is to B is 2 is to 3. Then A by B you have to write 2 by 3. Is to means ratio means A by B. 2 by 3, 2 is to 3 means 2 by 3. by cross multiplication, take b on left side, cross multiply in that way so that you can get b on left side and a on right side, because we are equating b means writing b on left side. This is second equation. Once we have the second equation, put second in 1. Now what we have, 3b minus 4a is equals to ab, a into b value. What I did, wherever b is there in place of equation 1, I have substituted this. Now this is 9a by 2 minus 4a is equals to 3 into a into, I am not cancelling that, not squaring that, by 1. See, 9 by 2 minus 4 means don't do 9 minus 4. That we have to find LCM of this. By 1, 2 1s are 2. 9a minus 8a equals to 3 into a into a by 2. 2 to cancel. Don't cancel here. After LCM you can cancel. 1a is equals to 3 into a into a. A cancelled. 1 is equals to 3a or 3a is equals to 1. A is equals to 1 by 3. Now what I have to do is put a is equals to 1 by 3 in second. B is equals to 3 into 1 by 3 by 2. 3 cancelled. B is equals to 1 by 2. We have two terms now, a and b. See what we did. Equation of line is, it passes through point we have substituted, simplified. Intercepts are in ratio a is to b is 2 is to 3, a by b is 2 by 3, cross multiplied. 2b is equals to 3a, b is equals to 3a by 2. Now we have second equation and first substitute second in one, you will get the value of a. Once you got a value of a, substitute in second equation. Now we have a value and b value. You can write, therefore equation of line x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. X by 1 by 3 plus y by 1 by 2 is equals to 1 is the required equation. Okay. So practice those questions and submit on WhatsApp group.